If for whatever reason a real flame cannot be used in your venue, then do not despair. Lumea can help create the ambience you and your guests want with our range of realistic, rechargeable and battery-operated candles, giving the flicker effect of a real flame without any problems of a traditional candle. Lumea flicker candles are our range of rechargeable battery candles that fit inside a selection of Lumea table lamps. They are supplied as a set of 12 candles with a tray, a charger cable and a remote control. Lumea flicker candles are easy to use. Insert the charger cable into the charging tray, plug the cable into a power supply and turn on. The charging tray light will show green if the tray is correctly connected to the electricity supply. If the light does not show, please check the cable is plugged in correctly. Before charging, ensure the individual candles are switched off. You can tell if a candle is still switched on because it will light up when placed on the charging tray. Using the switch on the base of the candles, turn each one off before placing back on the charging tray. The indicator inside the candles will show red when the candle is being charged and green when fully charged. Before the next charge, switch off the power to the tray and then switch on again. Ensure the green light is displayed on the charging tray. If you do not switch the power off between charges, charging cannot begin. 2 charging trays can be used with 1 charging cable. Candles take 12 hours to charge when first used, and then 8 hours to recharge. Once charged, switch the candles on using the switch on the base and place inside your choice of Lumea lamp to give a beautiful, real flame ambience. The candles will flicker for up to 12 hours between charges, depending on the level of brightness selected. They can now be controlled using the remote control supplied. The light will flicker when the candle button is pressed, and will become steady when the light button is pressed. Control the brightness of the light by choosing the dimmer or brighter button. The flicker time will be extended if the dimmer button is used. The optional timer function will automatically turn the candles off in either 4 or 8 hours time. Candles will continue to use some power when switched off using the remote control. For extended battery life, switch off using the switch on the base of the candles. For situations where candles are going to be used infrequently, consider using Lumea battery tea lights. Lumea rechargeable candles come with a 6-month warranty and can charge up to 500 times before the battery finally runs out, so should last approximately 3 years of everyday use. Call Lumea now. We are happy to supply samples of candles and lamps so you can see the benefits and the great ambience created by Lumea electric candles for yourself. Lumea. Ambience is everything.